Alright guys, so in this video we're going to cover how to contact the Meta support team or the Meta Pro team as a new advertiser or as a Facebook user currently do not have access to contact the Meta Pro team or the Meta support team. So take note, in order for you to be able to contact the Meta support team or the Meta Pro team, which is the advertising support, you must be an advertiser on Meta, which means you must have run some couple of ads or maybe an ad campaign before this feature will be activated for you. So take note, this works best for those who have a business ad account under their Facebook profile, which means you would need a business portfolio account and some other advertising and business assets before you will be able to do this. So take note, I'm going to refer you to our next course. In order for you to be able to contact the Meta support team, all you need to do is to create a business portfolio account. Then you create an ad account, and obviously you need a Facebook page preferably. Then you need to start running ads. In some cases, you might need to run an ad campaign for at least a week or even more. So if you need help with all this, kindly book a consultation session with our expert, or you sign up for our ad fixing services. An expert to help you do all of this, and you'll be able to contact Meta Pro team or the Meta advertising support. Kindly visit the description section of this video for more details. So see you guys in our next video, and bye for now.